Okay.
Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be changed from one form to another form. What is energy? The capacity to do work is called energy. Energy is the combination of two Greek words n plus hg equals energy. The units of energy, the CS unit of energy is gram centimeter square by second square, or Earth is the CS unit of energy, kg meter square by second square, or joule is the SI unit of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Let us consider body of the mass small m, initial velocity u, final velocity v, height h, initial velocity u, final velocity v, height h, mass small m, potential energy P, kinetic energy K. Look at the diagram at point A, at point B, at point C. First of all, we discuss about at point A. At point A, any one of the object is reached some amount of height. At this situation, final velocity v is equal 0. From the definition of potential energy, P is equal mg h. mg h. Kinetic energy K is equal of m v square. Here v is equal 0. K is equal of m into 0 square. K is equal 0. Total energy is equal potential energy plus kinetic energy at point A. At point, total energy is equal, P is equal mgh, K is equal 0. Total energy is equal mgh. Total energy is equal to mgh at point A. Next, at point B. At point B, S equal x, S equal x, H equal h minus x. Using third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal 2a. Here u is equal 0. U is equal 0. V square means VB square minus 0 square is equal A replace G, S replace X. VB square is equal 2GX. VB square is equal 2GX. But we know that kinetic energy K is equal half mVB square. But we know that VB square is equal 2gx. K is equal half m. VB square means 2gx. 2 will be cancel. K is equal mgx. K is equal mgx. Next, potential energy P is equal mg h. Here h equal h minus x. P is equal mg into h minus x. P is equal mgh minus mgx. This is potential energy. This is kinetic energy. Total energy is equal potential energy plus kinetic energy. Total energy at point, tell me the answer. Total energy at point B. At point B. Total energy is equal potential energy plus kinetic energy. Total potential energy equal mgh minus mgx plus mgx plus mgx minus mgx will be cancelled. Total energy at point B mg. This is at point B. Next at point C. At point C. Look at the diagram. At point C, no height. Okay now. This is reaching the ground. Here h equals 0. H equals 0. S equals h. P is equals mg h. Ke b square minus u square is equal to 2a. Any one of the object is reached from the ground. At this situation, initial velocity u is equal 0. V square minus 0 square is equal 2gh. V square is equal 2gh. 2gh. But we know that kinetic energy K is equal formula. K is equal R M V C square. VC square. VC square. VC square is equal K is equal R M VC square is equal 2GH. 2 will be cancelled. K is equal mgh. Is it at point C? Next, total energy is equal potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy is equal 0. Total energy is equal 0 plus mgh. Total energy is equal mgh. Look at the diagram. Law of conservation of energy of freely falling body at point A, at point B, at point C. A is equal, B is equal, C is equal mgh. Mechanical energy state that potential energy plus kinetic energy is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy equal potential energy plus kinetic energy equal to mechanical energy. Law of conservation of energy of freely falling body at point A is equal, at point B is equal, at point C is equal mgh. This is the information about law of conservation of energy. Understand?